I don't think you can see that, but my pants are soaked. Everything's soaked. I'm just wrecked. Oh, there's still so much on there. There are 18s on the car right now. That's what I have test fitted. Oh, there you go. And basically, I don't think they're gonna work. 18s are huge. So, how are these? Yes, of course they were covered in plasti-dip because that's the only kind of wheels I like. Apparently, I think it just significantly makes them cheaper. So yeah, I'll test fit these on it, and also I gotta do something with those. They look terrible. So got some Nite Shade, and we'll see if I can do something with that. So let's get the wheels on the car. I don't think I could ask for them to fit any better. I think 17s just look better. They just fit the car better. They even look big on camera. Jeez. Green is... ugh. Did have to put the camber all the way in just to make them fit, and they're sitting on the fender. All right. got both sides on there, and I had to raise up the rear like probably an inch just to even get it to sit like that. But I need to move this thing out of here so that I can fix the tail lights and do everything I'm gonna do with my headlights and stuff. So I borrowed a coupler off this car because I wasn't gonna move for a while. For Jessica's car, it's right here. I've just got tape around it right now, so it'll kind of run. Doesn't really. But I went over to Wicknick's place and picked up a coupler so that I could put that back together. So there you go. That was a struggle. I don't want to do that again. Definitely don't want to do that again. I gotta put it back together so I can at least start it and move it out of here. Well, I gotta do something about the That's how I know I did a good job. Rolling your fenders is one of those things that I think you should do before you paint your car. Just a thought. All right, so it's outside. So I've got these tail lights. They came on the car. The JDM ones are the go-to to buy for these, but they're cheaper for wagons, but they're still 250 bucks or so. What I don't know if you can see, they're gross. They're super gross. Look like dirt and stuff's coming out of them. But I don't know if you can see. Yeah. See how it's all like rusty in there? Oh, that ain't gonna work. But I don't want to like buy new taillights. So here's what I'm gonna do. I went down to O'Reilly's, picked up some red Nite Shade, and also got some clear coat. You can, they say you can leave this like just the way it is, but I think it looks a lot better if you put clear coat over it, so it looks more like a factory taillight. And then I've got 400 grit sandpaper to scuff these up, because you will have to scuff the surface a little bit to get the paint to adhere the way it's supposed to. And it is going to turn the entire lens red. If I wanted to, I could take the time to tape this, or tape this, or tape both of them, but I like all red taillights. So that's what they're gonna be. So I gotta get this trim off, which is just Phillips screws, and then, yeah, that's it. But in total, you're 20 bucks for this. So if it turns out good, then it's a cheap way to make stuff work that you already have. So, got them all scuffed and cleaned. So this was just 400 grit. Scuff them up real quick, get the crap off of them. And now we're gonna get this shooken up and laid down. We'll see what it looks like. So you can still see some orange. This turned pretty red. So this is the first coat. So we'll see you on the next one. It's like 2.5 coats. So those look pretty good. I'm gonna wait to put the clear on them until tomorrow because they look pretty good right now. But I have a feeling once they dry up, they're gonna need some clear coat, but we'll see how they look tomorrow. That's it. Got the new wheels on. I gotta figure out what color to do those. It's not a good look. Green. It's like 2005.